I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your account with Regions Bank, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Visit the Regions Bank website. Go to the official Regions Bank website. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Access the verification section. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the Verify Account option in the menu. Step 3. Provide required information. Fill out the verification form with the necessary details, such as your social security number and account number. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 4. Submit verification. After filling out the form, click the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your verification is in process. Step 5. Check for confirmation. Keep an eye on your email or the Regions Bank app for a confirmation of your account verification. This may take a few minutes to a couple of hours. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Good luck with your account verification.